Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी लर्न द नंबर 18 इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो। टुडे वी विल लर्न द नंबर 19 and we will understand the number 19. Are you ready? Let's start. How many matchsticks are there? There is one bundle of 10 matchsticks. This is 110. And how many matchsticks? These are 8 matchsticks. These are 8 units. How many matchsticks altogether? Altogether is 18 matchsticks. 18 matchsticks. When we add one more matchsticks into it, we get 110 and 9 units. 19. We get 19 matchsticks all together. Understood? Very good. See this next picture. How many blocks are there? There are 10 blocks. This is 110 and these are 9 more blocks. These are 9 units. 110, 9 units, 19. 110, 9 units, 19. So dear students, remember this: 18 and 1 make 19. 18 and 1 make 19. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see this next picture. How many beads are there in this necklace? There are 10 beads. This is 110 and these are 9 units. 110, 9 units, 19. 110, 9 units, 19. Isn't it? Very good. How many matchsticks are there? 19 matchsticks, 19 blocks, 19 beads. 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Understood? Very good. So dear students, how to write 19? Let's write 110, 9 units, 19. 110, 9 units, 19. N-I-N-E 9, T-E-E-N 19. इस तरह से आप इसको ब्रेक करके इस तरह से लर्न कर सकते हैं। N-I-N-E 9. 9 की स्पेलिंग तो आपको लर्न ही होगी, साथ में आप T-E-N T-E-E-N टीन जोड़ दीजिए तो क्या बन गया? 19. Understood? Very good. So dear students, now you have to trace the number 19 in this given boxes. 110, 9 units, 19. 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 Now you have to write the 19 in this empty boxes. 110, 9 unit, 19. 110, 9 units, 19. 110, 9 units, 19. So dear students, write down in each box and say while writing, write properly. Don't overwrite. Understood? Very good. And we will meet in the next video. We will learn the number 20. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned the number 19. Please like the video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.